hanggang ang puso'y What's up, Internet? My name is JT and welcome back to my channel, and for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. So without further much ado, grab your uke because today I'm gonna teach you how to play sa Ngalan ng Pag-Ibig by December Avenue. So for this tutorial, you should clip your capo here on the second fret of your ukulele, and then always remember to tune your ukulele first every time you use it. And para naman sa mga viewers dyan na walang capo, you can still play this song, you can still use the chords na papakita ko dito, and then yung mga strumming patterns, you can still apply it, pero yung ano lang, yung pitch niya is medyo mababa kaysa sa original. So, ayun lang. So, in order to play this song, you need to learn 9 chords on the ukulele, pero wag kayong mag-alala, etong 9 chords na to ay super basic lang din. So, ayun, first chord that we have is the chord of Cmaj7, so that is the first string on the second fret. Ayan. Next chord is C. Ayan. So, yung baba lang niya. Ito, third fret na siya. Next one is the chord of A minor 7. Ito yung pinakamadaling chord sa ukulele. So, you just have to strum all the strings. Wala kang gagawin dito. So, ayan. A minor 7 yan. Next one is A minor. So, you just have to put your index finger here on the last string in the second fret. Next one is an E minor. So, staircase lang ito. Ayan. Tapos, next one is F. Next is D minor. Tapos, B flat or A sharp, parehas lang yun. Tapos, ayun. So, i-bar mo tong dalawang to. Put your middle here, middle finger, and then fourth finger. So, that is your B flat. Tapos, the last chord that we have is the chord of G. So, ayan. So, mga basics lang tong lahat. So, again, C major 7, C, A minor 7, A minor, E minor, F, D minor, B flat, tapos G. So, yung una kong ituturo sa inyo ay yung intro, and then the chord progression for that part is C major 7, tapos A minor 7, E minor, and then F. Tapos, dalawang beses mo yun gagawin. Ow! Dalawang beses mo yun gagawin for the intro. And para naman sa strumming pattern for the intro part, it is basically down, up, down, up, down, down, up. In every chord sa intro. So, ayan. Try natin. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up. Tapos na tayo sa intro na part, so let's move on to the verses of the song. So basically, this song has 2 verses, and yung chord progression sa dalawang verse na to ay C, A minor 7, E minor, and F. Tapos yung strumming pattern naman niya is the same lang sa ginawa natin sa intro. So ayun. So C, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. Tapos ulitin mo lang yun, and that is for the verse 1. Hanggang kailan ako maghihintay na para bang wala nung kapalit sa'yo. Nasan ka man, sigaw ng puso ko, ikaw hanggang ngayon. So that is for the first verse of the song. So kung ano yung tinuro kanina sa verse 1, yun din yung mai-apply nyo sa second verse of the song. So let's move on to the third part of the song, which is the pre-chorus. So yung chord progression natin para sa pre-chorus ay D minor, E minor, and then we have F. So again, D minor, E minor, and F. And for the strumming pattern for the pre-chorus, so yung sa D minor and E minor, you just have to do the strumming pattern once. So, once in every chord. So, down, up, down, up, down, up. Tapos, lipat ka agad sa E minor with the same strumming pattern. Down, up, down, down, up. But for the chord of F, you have to repeat the strumming pattern twice. So, okay? Down, up, down, up, down. Tapos, repeat. Down, up, down, up, down. Tapos, balik sa D minor, E minor, F. So, magiging ganun yung strumming pattern natin for the pre-chorus. So, let's try to sing the pre-chorus using the chord progression and the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 3, go. Kung saan na lamang ay nakita mo ang lungkot sa iyong ngiti, isang umagang di ka nagbalik. Gumising ka nang makita mo ang tamis na sandali ng kahapong di magbabalik. So we're done with the pre-chorus, so let's move on to the chorus. So for the chorus, we have the chord progression of C, tapos F, A minor 7, E minor, and then F. And para naman sa strumming pattern sa chorus, different siya sa ginawa natin sa intro, sa verses, and sa pre-chorus. So yung magiging strumming pattern natin para dito ay down, down, up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Pero sa chord ng A minor 7 and E minor, yung strumming pattern natin dyan is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. And then for the second F, di ba may dalawang F tayo dyan sa walang, and then sa nararamdaman. So sa pangalawang F, yung sa nararamdaman, balik na tayo sa original strumming pattern natin na down, down, up, down, up, down. So okay? Nagets nyo yun? So try natin yung chorus. 1, 2, 3, go. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman, kahit matapos ang magpakailan paman, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig. So, tapos na tayo sa chorus, so let's move on to the bridge. So, para naman sa bridge, yung chords natin ay A minor, tapos we have B flat, or A sharp, parehas lang yun, tapos we have G, F, D minor, and then B flat ulit. So, ayun. Tapos, yung strumming pattern natin dyan ay down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down. Pero for the last two chords, we have D minor and B flat, so just strum once per chord. Tapos, so ayun lang. So ayun, try natin. Hanggang kailan pa ba magtitiis, nalunod ka sa kaiisip, huling kapiling ka sa aking panaginip. Ikaw mula noon, ikaw hanggang ngayon. So, ayan. And then after that one, we have to repeat the chorus. So, ayan. Ulitin lang natin yung chorus. The same strumming pattern sa tinuro kanina. Hanggang sa dulo ng ating dalanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang naramdaman, hanggang sa dulo ng ating walang hanggan, hanggang ang puso'y wala nang nararamdaman, hanggang matapos ang magpakailan paman, ako'y maghihintay sa ngalan ng pag-ibig mo. Tapos, after nun is the outro. Tapos yung outro natin ay just ting, 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 ting. So, ayun lang. Just strum once per chord. Tapos yung mga chord progression natin sa outro ay A minor 7, E minor, and then F. So yun, ulitin natin. A minor 7 pala. Dang, 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 dang. So don't forget to check out the chords and the lyrics on the description box below para may guide kayo after watching this tutorial. So yun lang guys, I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa tutorial na to and may natutunan na naman kayong bagong kanta galing sa akin. So if you want more tutorials from me, so just let me know and comment it down on the comment section below. And ayun, if you like this tutorial, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet, and click the little button beside the subscribe button para ma-update kayo whenever I post a new video. And ayun lang guys, I'll see you on my next tutorial and thank you so much for watching. Bye!